everyone, Westcoast Johnny. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't know this about me, I design and I build vintage style bodybuilding equipment. I've been doing it for a while. I do it for other people. I make handles that get sent around the world through Robert Torres. But the machine I just finished, well, I finished it about a month ago, and I've been filing my provisional patent application process. I'm right in the middle of it because I might make a bunch of these. But this is the smallest weight pulley machine in the world. It is so little that the space on the floor, 7 inches by 11 inches. It's 6 feet tall, no nylon, no plastic, no cables, none of that stuff. Everything is 100% steel. Even the bearings, 100% stainless steel. It's rope powered, just like the old days. So without further ado, check it out. Well, here's the machine. It's amazingly simple. As a matter of fact, the part that goes up and down on those rods, those 1/2 inch rods, are actually the body of the machine as well, see? They serve 2 purposes. Now, there's 2 pulleys at the top, 1 pulley at the bottom, which means when I'm pulling, right, like this, I'm getting a 1-to-1 ratio. Now this holds 45 pounds. If you put 45 pounds on here and you do this with one arm, it's gonna feel very heavy. But if you put 45 pounds on, say, a big pulley machine like at the gym, it's gonna be a lot simpler to pull it up. But this feels, with 45 pounds on it, it's gonna feel like you're pulling a bag of concrete up. I'll demonstrate it for you. Now, it's real simple, see that? It holds 5-pound plates. They just barely fit. And this is designed and built in the US. That's why it's all red, white, and blue themed. And we have our sticker somewhere. Right there, made in USA. So this is the machine. Okay, I'm gonna take some of these off. Okay, let's see. See how smooth that is? And you have a lot of travel. Look at that. So no matter what exercise you're doing in good form, you can have plenty of room. Okay? So now I'm going to show you the lower attachment. Okay, now we have 2 lower attachments. One is further out than the other. So if you have any kind of exercise you want to do, like maybe a long pull, if you have a long pull handle or triceps, there's a place to put a handle here, one way up here when you're just standing in front of the machine, and of course the one at the top for pulling everything down. So this is great if you're doing something like where you're seated and you're kind of like pulling back. You know, we've got a little extra rope. And let's see. So I can just stand here, see? Lift like this. Now this is really small. I'm guessing you could put this even in your house somewhere. Like if you have a big bathroom or something, you want to put it against the wall to get it out of the way. Or you have a giant closet you could put it in. Your garage, maybe the side of your house. It's really, really simple. It's only held on 1 screw here and 1 screw at the bottom. See that bracket? All you have to do is hit 1 stud. That's how simple this is. So I just wanted to show it to everybody. I'm going to take it apart and I'm going to bring it over to my father-in-law's house because I made this for him. So he can train, but he didn't want to have some big bulky piece of machine because he doesn't have a lot of room. So this is very simple. He saw it, he loves it. Okay. Now, you can get over there if I could be facing you or something. here's some footage of the actual machine being built. Now the pulley's going to go right here. See that? Okay, well here it is. It's pretty much all welded together. This is going to go down here and go all the way up to the front. We're going to have a bottom pulley, top pulley. This is going to have two different handles because it's so rudimentary that I'm not using cable with double pulleys in the middle. So we're going to have one handle to pull down from the top and then a different handle to pull up from the bottom. So now I'm going to go ahead and weld a tab on the back so that this could be mounted against the wall. There's going to be one right here and there's going to be one right here, and all you have to do is make sure you hit a stud top and bottom and this won't move. So if you're interested in something like this, just leave me a comment. All right, everybody, I'll talk to you later.